A key tool for the officers investigating that case and any number of others is a photo lineup. But tonight, the way Durham police display would-be suspects to witnesses is creating controversy. NBC 17's Steve Johns reports.
There's absolutely nothing wrong with the way we're doing the procedure now.
Arnetta Herring is talking about photo lineups, an interview process used by Durham police and law enforcement throughout the country to identify the guilty during an investigation.
They view now all 6 of the photographs at the same time, and they either select or not select. If they do select, then we have an affidavit on the back that says, I reviewed these photographs on this date, and I say that it's suspect number 2.
I think there's a right way to do it, and I think there's a wrong way to do it.
Triangle defense attorney Michael Driver says it was a Durham police photo lineup that put his innocent client behind bars for more than a year, even after the only witness in the case claimed several times he never saw who shot Devondre Peace in September of 2003.
The witness who supposedly picked out my client's picture told the police the day of the shooting he didn't see the face of the shooter. 10 days later, the police claimed he picked out my client's picture.
According to Driver, the lead investigator failed in a number of areas during his interviews of the eyewitness.
The officer couldn't even prove that the picture picked out was a picture of my client.
Driver also says the investigator failed to make specific documentation during his interviews or note feedback from the eyewitness, that he failed to show that witness a minimum of 8 pictures, one at a time, or inform the witness that the suspect may or may not be among the pictures the witness was viewing.
It's the defense attorney's job to look for any inconsistencies, any problems that they see, and they can often convince a judge.
As a result of inconsistencies and problems with this Durham police photo lineup, a judge ordered that murder charges be dropped against Driver's client. To date, no one else has been charged in that case.
If there's a better way to do something, if it's going to result in more guilty people being convicted and less innocent people being arrested and convicted, why not do it?
We want good cases. We want cases that stand up in court. We want our procedures to stand up in court. So we will continue to make sure that we follow the letter of the law, the statute, the Constitution, to set up our lineups, to bring our eyewitnesses in, and to get the right suspect.
In Durham, Steve Johns, NBC 17 News.